Welcome to Willow's World of DIY. I'm Willow, and today I'm going to show you guys how to repair this theater seat cushion. I start off by removing the armrest. I flip the chair on its side just so I have access to these screws on the bottom, and I move that out of the way. Then I remove all the staples so I have access to the springs. You can see that the spring has pushed through the bottom of this chair. These coil springs are supposed to be contained in this white fabric, and obviously this one has ripped through and pushed all the way through the bottom of the chair. Now I'm just trying to get this spring untangled and back into its original place. Once I get the coil springs in place, I use safety wire to attach them down to the lower heavy-duty springs. This is what it looks like after I safety wired the coil springs down to the lower heavy-duty spring. Then I insert a piece of 2x3" foam just to build up this outside edge. Now we can staple all the fabric back down to the wooden frame. And screw it back together, and then we can reinstall our armrests. On this second one, the springs are pushing up through the top, through the foam, so I'm just measuring it to cut a piece of medium density seat foam. I remove all the staples, and then I just start stuffing in this new foam, and I stuff it all above the springs, so the springs are all below it. Then I staple it all back together. I hope you found this video helpful. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons. Thanks for watching Willow's World of DIY. Until next time.